Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating a table for one for quiet time. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So today in my quiet time, I'm going to call this the cost of living for Christ. Now we're going to go over to Luke 10:29, which reads like this. But he, willing to justify himself, said unto Jesus, and who is my neighbor? This question of who is my neighbor can be used by Satan to deceive us in more than one way. Not only can he deceive men into thinking that they have fulfilled the command to love thy neighbor as thyself when they haven't, but he will also try to apply this command in a way that condemns those who are seeking to fulfill it by making them think that they are not doing enough. We cannot meet the needs of every single person in the world. Jesus wasn't teaching that. This wounded man was directly in the path of these three men. The priest and the Levite had to walk around him. Jesus is simply teaching that we should take advantage of the opportunities that we have. The fact that we can't help everyone is no excuse not to help anyone. Through this parable, define a neighbor as any fellow human being who crosses our path and is in need of our assistance. The Samaritan went to the full extent of his ability and beyond to help the man. The priest and the Levite did nothing. There was a racial and religious hatred between Jews and Samaritans. Devout Jews would not associate with or even talk to a Samaritan. The priest and the Levite that passed by this wounded man were his fellow countrymen, and yet they didn't help him. The Samaritan, who was considered by religious Jews to be another nationality, was the true neighbor. Jesus made it clear that you could not define neighbor on the basis of geographic origin or your familiarity with someone. A neighbor is anyone that God puts in your path. Amen. So I hope you enjoyed the message as much as I enjoyed delivering it to you. Please share it. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day and God bless you. Amen.